Yeah. Stop. You're the cutest. Actually, you're the cutest little gummy bear in the batch.
Gummy bear. Hey, who are you talking to?
What's that?
You talking to a girl?
Oh, I don't know. We could
Do you have a girlfriend?
watch a movie.
Ryan,
We
you have a
could
girlfriend?
just
Yeah,
cuddle
movie.
up.
Yeah,
and
movie.
Wrap.
Yes, Ryan, I'll watch
I'm sorry,
a
my
movie
it's
with
my
you.
TV.
I'll watch a movie with
Sorry,
you.
my TV is.
Girls. Hey, Ryan, dude, who's your girlfriend?
Yeah. Okay. Stop. You're the sweetest. You're the sweetest. Okay. No, you hang up first. No, you hang up first, you little devil. Look at your little horns. Look at your little horns, you devil.